Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type a square symbol in Word. How to insert square symbol in Word format. Method is similar for Windows and Mac user. Just type your number here. Like you want to make this number as square, select it, and here the option subscript in lower side, and this is the top side, like this. Just you have to select that number. You want to make this one as square. These all are squares, so select it and make it square. So thanks for watching, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.